Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Yentl Lieuw. There are 196 countries in the world. 16 have been given the green light to implement a U.S. Custom and Border Protection pre-clearance. Aruba's main airport, Inaugurated, has had this operation in full function since 2001. Now, the private terminal in Aruba also has the same system set in place. On Thursday afternoon's inauguration ceremony, stakeholders took the opportunity to emphasize how beneficial it is to Aruba's tourism economy to have a U.S. pre-clearance on the island. Prime Minister Mike Amon, together with the Minister of Tourism and representatives from the U.S. Custom and Border Protection, cut the ribbon officially launching the pre-clearance at the private aviation. Aruba is the only island in the Caribbean to have a U.S. pre-clearance for private aircrafts. This system plays a significant role to the island's growing economy.
The pre-clearance facilities at the airport that we have since the year 2001 have proven to be a catalyst in the success of our tourism industry. These facilities ensure a hassle-free arrival in the United States, with airlines able to connect with other flights in their network and satisfied visitors happy not to be standing in the long lines upon their arrival in the U.S.
Minister Odeberg says the U.S. Custom and Border Protection pre-clearance being in Aruba has attracted numerous amount of additional flights.
These pre-clearance facilities have also made Aruba a haven as a hub, connecting Latin America to the United States, fitting perfectly into Aruba's strategies. Since its inception, Aruba has promoted these pre-clearance facilities as a mark of confidence bestowed upon Aruba by the United States government. It is this confidence in Aruba by the U.S. government that has proved and provided to the airlines and the visitors the security they need in these insecure times in the world.
The private terminal is used by affluent visitors. It's safe to say the luxury market passes through this airport. By implementing a pre-clearance at this aviation terminal represents Aruba's efforts in further exploring this particular market.
And we're at the point now where we're opening another door, just like we did back in 2005. We opened a door into a market back in 2005 for a market which was always here in Aruba, but wasn't exploited. Right now we're opening another door into another phase of this market, which will make sure that Aruba will stand out for years to come in history as a benchmark for other destinations or airports.
Prime Minister Mike Amon says border protections separates nations.
But we also see it in a broader and deeper context. When nations were formed in the world, one of the first things they did is create borders between themselves and other countries. That in order to guarantee their territorial integrity and also to mark and define their own jurisdiction. And it is based upon trust and confidence when you see that countries start eliminating the borders between themselves.
The pre-clearance agreement the U.S. and Aruba has represents a strong, successful, and efficient partnership between the two nations.
It is hard for Aruba and the United States to eliminate borders between us because we are not neighboring countries. We have a big ocean between us. But the best thing that you could do is what we are doing today, and it's also what we have done 27 years ago when we started pre-clearance. Basically, we are giving the same sense of expression of trust and confidence between two countries and two nations, that we trust each other so much, we share so much of each other's values and vision that we are willing to put our own border control in another country.